So now let us learn one of the most interesting and important part of CLO 3D, that is animation. So I have my garment ready and now the avatar is still. I need something, that is I need a motion file so that the avatar moves. So where do we get the motion file? Avatar, and go to avatar, go to female folder, click on motion. So you can see different motions. You can choose any one of them. I'll choose this. I'll double click on this. Now the motion got applied because the avatar was standing in the center of this grid. Now it's in the left side. That means the motion is being applied. Now what I'll do is, to create an animation, I'll just go to this drop down. I'll click on the second option called animation. Now you are seeing a animation timeline, that is transition and the motion file. Transition is, it is in the T pose, so it should start walking. That means this is when it starts walking and this is where the animation happens. So I will move it back to its original position. So now you need to record the garment motion also. If you just move this, only the avatar is moving, not the garment. So if you have to move the garment also along with the avatar, you need to record it. How to do it? You have to click on this button called record. I'll click on this. Now you can see the garment also is being recorded. So this one will take time depending on the complexity of your garment. So this garment is very simple and very basic, so it won't be taking much time. So you can see how the garment moves, and if there is any problem with the garment, you can just stop it and then adjust it. You have to go back to the simulation. So anyway, that thing I will cover it in another video. Just in this video you will be seeing how to do the animation, how to record it. So now you can see here there's an option called animation, that is table. This should be always selected. If there is any other option, just click on this drop down and select this option. Okay, then now you can see here the current, start and end. The whole animation has the frame rate of 741. Right now the current frame, it is on 192. Okay, when it reaches 741, then the animation gets completed. So when the animation is happening, do not close the window or do not minimize it. Just make sure the window is always active. So every now and then just move the cursor to make sure the window is active until it gets finished. Do not disturb the window. You can rotate and see. The garment looks fine with this motion. So now the frame rate is 340. See, even though my garment is very simple, still it is taking a little bit of time to complete the animation. Whenever your particle distance is 10 or less than 10, it takes much more longer time. And now my particle distance is 20 only, so I haven't changed any settings or any thickness, nothing. This is just the basic settings of the fabric that is there already. So this simple garment is taking this much of time. So the complicated garment will obviously take longer time. Make sure you are keeping your window active. You will face a lot of problems with the fabric, the way it is moving, or sometimes you can see here the fabric is being smudged or it goes inside the avatar. So these problems will happen. You need to correct it. So I will teach these things in the upcoming videos. Make sure to remember the basic steps of how to create an animation. So if you remember these steps, so after this you will start troubleshooting the errors that is happening while the avatar is walking. I will keep making separate videos for the problems that you will face while creating an animation. There will be different mistakes, different kind of errors, or different kind of problems that happens with the garment. So in upcoming videos I will be working on the screen by explaining what all problems happens and how to resolve those things. So now almost the animation is going to get completed. So it is going to reach 7:41, then my animation gets completed. So yeah, now it's done. I will bring back the avatar into its original position. So now the garment movement is also being recorded. If I keep on moving this, you can see the whole animation. So now I will just record. I won't record the complete animation. I'll make sure whatever the part I want, I will record just that. I'll start from 200. To okay, I will stop till here. So I need the animation from 200 to 560. So I've entered the recording part, whichever I want. So I have set the animation frame rate. Now what I'll do, I'll go to File, Video Capture, Animation. So I got this. If you want to change the dimensions, you can change. You get the option called Portrait. You can keep the landscape also. So now I'll go for Portrait because she's just going to walk in the center of the stage. Now what I'll do is I'll click on Record. So whatever the frame rate that I have selected, it starts recording from that point to the end point, whatever I have mentioned it. So it will be just very few seconds of animation, but while recording the transition of the garment and all, it takes long time, but it will be few seconds, that's it. Now see, it got recorded very quickly. Now what I'll do is I will stop it. You got the animation recorded. I'll play this. That's it. It's done. Now you can click on save. So just give some name for this. So now you can see the saved animation file. So that's it. This is how you record an animation in CLO 3D.